Good morning, students. How are you? I, Manju Dangwal, of your mathematics teacher, welcomes you in your online class. I hope so you all are staying at home. You are not going out to play. Are you going? Yes, Abhiditya, are you going? No, ma'am. Very nice. Very nice. What about Akshat? What you are doing, Akshat? Are you going outside? No, Mama is not permitting, ma'am, to me. So how can I go? Right, Akshat? Chanchal, nowadays what you are doing? Study only. Oh, okay, you are playing also. Very nice. You are playing indoor games. That's very good. Student, enjoy at home. Stay at home. Keep yourself safe. Okay, nowadays what is the scenario is going on. Okay, I want to tell you for today's thought of the day, which will give you inspiration, which will you motivate. Okay, so today's thought is education is a progressive discovery. It is a progressive discovery of our own ignorance. Once again, I am repeating. Education is a progressive discovery of our own ignorance. Clear? So keep it in mind, write down the thought of the day and then proceed for the work. I want to take you a recap. Just Rohit's father went to market, okay, or your father also, and asked to shopkeeper what is the cost of 1 kg mangoes. Nowadays mangoes season is going on. Everyone love to eat mango, okay. Shopkeeper told, sir, rupees 70. What is the cost of 1 kg mango? Rupees 70. He told, give me 5 kg mangoes. Then how much he will be paid to the shopkeeper? Yes, who will be give me answer? Yes, Dhairya, will you give me answer? Or Arush? Arush Dwivedi? Will you give me answer? Try it, beta. If you will be do, then your concept will be more clear. We have done the word problem in the previous class, so I am taking from there only recap. Am I right? Yes, Arush, try to give me answer. Yes, very nice. What you will be do? Multiplication, because less is given. Whenever less is given and you are going to find out the more, then what you will be do? You will be do the multiplication. So by which number we have to multiply? Yes, respond me. Very nice. That will be 70 by 5. Because 1 kg cost is 70 rupees. 5 kg cost will be 70 into 5. So 7 5s are, yes, Aditya Nagar. Ayush Gupta. Yes, very good. That is 350 rupees. So how much he will be paid to the shopkeeper? 350 rupees. Similarly, if they are saying he has brought the mangoes of 350 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 kg? What will we do? Yes? Abhiditya, fast. Yes, divide by 7. Why? Divide by 5. Sorry, not 7. This is 5 kg. 5 kg cost is 350 rupees. And we want to find out the cost of 1 kg. So we will be divided by 5. Quantity will be divided by total. Total amount will be divided by the quantity. This is total amount and this is the quantity. So total amount will be divided by the quantity. That's right. So can we proceed for the next? Today's new work. Okay, let's proceed. Now we will be start exercise 4.4 question number 6. Till 5 we have done in the online class. Am I right? So what is the question number 6? See in your book. The product of two numbers is 18.576. One of the number is 5.4. Find the other number. How will we find out we are having the product? Okay, means when we are multiplying two number, like 3 multiplied by 2, what we are getting? 126 means we are having this one, we are having this one, and we are going to find out this one. What will we do? 126 divided by 63. Do clap for Shreya. Yes, very nice. So I'm going to find out the other number. We will be write down other number is equal to solution. Other number is equal to product of two numbers divided by given number. One of them means given number. Given number. This is given number, na? One of them means this is given number. That's right. What is the product? 18.576 divided by 5.4. As we want to make denominator as a whole number, so after the in denominator, after the one digit, there is a decimal. So we can multiply by 10. Can be 10. So what it will be? Decimal place will be shifted at right hand side. This is 185.76 by 54. Is it clear? I have removed the decimal from the denominator. So what I have done, because after the decimal there is one place, I have multiplied by 10. Then I will get 54. Same number, by the same number we will be multiplying in numerator also. So this will be shifted right hand side, one place right hand side, because 10 is there. So it. Student, I have multiplied by 10. What I will be do? I have shifted one place of decimal at the right hand side, because we are multiplying by 10. There is 10. That's right. Now I'll be perform the division. Okay. So I'm erasing little bit part. This is 54. Okay, divisor is 54 and dividend is 185.76. Do you know 54 table? We don't know. So we'll be make the multiplication table by the multiplication. So what we have to do, we will be use the rough column. 54 3s are 15. Let's try. 3 4s are 12. 2 carry 1, 15 and 1, 16. This is smaller number, so 54 by 4. 4 5s are 20. This is greater, so we will not go for the 4. I'll be go with 3. That's right, 162. 5 minus 2 is 3. And here 8 minus 6 is 2. There is a decimal, so I'll not write here decimal. I'll be put up here. Now what I have noted down? 7. Let's try with 4. Okay, because 4s are 20. 4 4s are 16, 6, 4 5s are 20 and 1, 21, 216. Now next 54 5s are. 5 4s are 20, 0 carry 2, 5 5s are 25, this is greater. So 27, this is 270, which is greater. That's right. So we will be go with 4. What is it? 216. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now next is 6. What is it? Again by 4. 4. So what is the other number? This is 3.44. Hence the other number is 3.44. 3.44. Other number is 3.44. You will be write down hence. Okay. Now student, question number 7. A car covers a distance of 198.22 kilometer in 4.4 hours. Okay, how much distance? 198.22 kilometer in 4.4 hours. That's right. Find the distance covered in 1 hour. You can do it by the direct formula also. Okay, and you can write the statement. I am writing with the statement distance covered in 4.4 hour. Distance covered in 4.4 hours equals to how much? 198.22 kilometer. That's right. Now we are going to find out in 1 hour. Distance covered in 1 hour. Beta, you have done the unitary method that we can follow. Right, 198.22 by 4.4. Again in denominator there is decimal after one place, or after the decimal one digit. What will we do? We will be multiply by, yes, yes, speak out, by 10. Very good. 10 by 10. Right? Soumya, be attentive. Okay. So, I have multiplied. Right? What I'll be do? I'll be shift one place there. 1982.2. Harshit, focus on the class. Okay. This is 44. Because always when we are multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, the decimal place will be shifted at the right hand side. Is it clear? So now I'll be start the division. 44. And the number is 19822. Akshat, can you write the table of 44? Yes, very good. Ayushi, can you? Why? Don't make face. Start. Make the table in the rough column. Okay, this is 44. I'll be try with 4 because 4 5s are 20, which is greater than 19. So I'll be try with 4. 44 4s are 176 dear. That's right. So what will we do? 4. Is it clear or not? 4. Now it is clear. 4. What is it? 176. 8 minus 6 is 2. Here 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Very good. You are doing the work now, and this is very basic thing. Ma'am, we can do the subtraction. Yes. Now what I have to note down from upside 2. What is it? 2, 2, 2. 222. 222. I'll be try with 5. What I'll be get? My 44 multiplied by 5. 6 will be greater because 24, and I have need 22 nearby this. 5 4s are 20, 0, carry 2. 5 4s are 20 and 2, 22. This is the appropriate number for it. 5s are. What is it? 220. So what is the remainder? 2. What is the remainder? 2. Now what I will be do? There is our decimal. I will be put up here, and then I have to note it down 22. Right? This is 22. Now this is smaller than this. What I will be do? Yes, speak out. Speak out, Abhiditya. 0. Very good. Now what we have to note down? What I will be do? Increase the 0. Now this is 220. This is 220. What is it? 5 times. So I got the remainder as a 0. So what is the distance covered in 1 hour? This is 45.05. 45.05 kilometer. Hence, always you have to write down the hence. Hence, distance covered in 1 hour is 45.05 kilometers. Clear? So our next question is, a bus covered distance of 631.25 kilometer in 5 liters of diesel. Means 5 liter diesel में वो कितना distance cover कर रहा है? 631.25 kilometer. Find the distance covered in 1 liter of diesel. More is given, less you are going to find out. What you will be do? Yes. Speak out, Harshita. What? What will we do? Yes, division. Very good. So why you are taking too much time? Tanesh, concentrate in the class, beta. Yes. I am going to solve it. Solution. Again, I am writing the statement. Distance covered in 5 liter diesel. Distance covered in 5 liters diesel of diesel is equal to how much? 631.25 5 kilometer. Right. Okay. So distance covered. Less we are finding. That's why what I am doing, division. 1 liter of diesel is equal to 631.25 divided by 5. Right? When I am dividing it by 5, what I will be getting? I am not multiplying because 5 is itself whole number. So 5. This is 631.25. Beta, this is your rough column work. Okay. 5 ones are 5. What is remaining? 1, 3. 5 twos are 10. 3, 1. 5 6 are 30. That's right. 1. Now decimal is there. I have put up here 2. 5 twos are 10. What is 25? Now 25. 5 fives are 25. So how much distance covered by the bus is? That is 126.25 kilometers. Hence, the bus covered distance in 1 liter of petrol is 126.25 kilometers. I hope so. You can do by your own. Very nice. Question number 9 is 2 rings weighing 7.534 gram and 5300 milligram. Right? Identify the heavier ring after converting the rings into the same unit. First, we will be converting into the same unit. Either gram into milligram or milligram into gram. I told you the sentence, King Henry died, mother didn't cry much. This is mother unit, means we are converting milligram into gram. So divide by how much? 10, 100 and 1000. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. That's right. We are converting milligram into gram. 1 milligram is equal to 1 divided by 1000 gram. Right? So what I will do? I will convert 5300 milligram. 5300 milligram is equals to 5300 divided by 1000. That's right. So what will be put up? There is 4 places. There is also 4 places. I am dividing it by 1000. So what I will get? 5.3 gram. That's right. Note it down. I want to erase the question part. I am going to erase question part. Other one is 7.534 gram. Question you can write from the book. Now I have converted into gram both the things. One is 7.534 gram. Okay. Another one is, what is it? 5.3 gram. That's right. Both are not like. First of all, we will make both like decimal. So can we write 5.3? After here, how many places? 1, 2, 3. Here is 1. So after putting 2 zeros, they will be like. Now I can compare. So what is it? Comparison, which is bigger, which is smaller. That's right. So I am going to compare 7.5349 and 5.300. Which is greater? Obviously this is 7, this is 5. Which is greater? Speak out. Yes, this is this. Very good, Harshita. This is, so 7.53, not G, this is 534 is heavier than 5.3 gram. Okay, this weight, hence the weight of the ring whose weight is 7.534 gram is heavier than the weight of 5.3 gram. Right? That's right. Now student, I am starting with the mental maths. This is given in practice section. As we have finished the word problems, okay, and you have to write down the points to remember I told you. Now I'm going to explain the mental maths which you can do by your own. This is not required to do lengthy calculations. As you are using your brain, everything is given. Like 14.27 multiplied by 8. We are assuming 1427 multiplied by 8. We are not keeping in mind while we are doing the multiplication the decimal. I told you in earlier classes also. Okay. So what I have to do? I got, what is it? What is it? 1,14,000. Sorry, what is it? 11,460. Right? If we will be multiply, I'll be get the same. I'm writing same 11,460. Now this is the time to put up the decimal. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here 3 decimal places, here 2. Total how many decimal places? 5. So I'll be put up the decimal after the 5 places. How I can put up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I put up here? Can I write 0.11416? How I have to put up the decimal? There is 2 decimal places. There is 3. Total 5 decimal places. So from the right I'll be count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Afterwards I have put up the decimal. This is the way now to put up the decimal. Now next is this. 1257 multiplied by 5. But I am getting 6285. The same number, but these numbers are with decimal. So I'll be write down as it is. First of all, 6285. Right, students? Now what I'll be do? Yes, Harshit, what I'll be do? I'll be count up the decimal places. 1, 2. How many decimal places? 2. Here 1. Totally how many? 3. So I'll be start to count from right side. 1, 2, 3. What will be the answer? 6.285. Clear, student? Now next, this is divide. Can I say 0.001? Can I say? Yes. Yes. Anyone can tell me why I can say this? What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. That's right. How many here? 1, 2. So there is 2 and there is 5. What is the difference between 3? So what I will do after dividing, because 37 divided by 37 I am getting 1. After 3 places I have to put up the decimal. 2 and 1, 3. That's why I have put up the decimal. Do you understand? Okay. But by verbally, this is not perfect. You will be apply. You can take the different numbers, then you can do the practice. Right? Now this is 23.142 multiplied by 1000. If I am assuming this is 23,142 and I am multiplying it by 1000, what I will be do? 23,142 with 3 zeros. Right? After how many places there is a decimal? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what will be the answer? 23,142. Good. Now this is question. Fifth is the quotient of 2.4 divided by 10. There is 1 place after the decimal and this is complete 2 place. I want to remove the decimal so that I can make easier calculation. Denominator there is no decimal. Okay, we can do without removing also by easier, because 2 is smaller than this, so I am putting the 0. Okay, then there is a decimal. I have put up the decimal. 10 2s are 20 and 10 4s are 40. That's right. Or you can do, if you are multiplying by 10, you will be get 240, which is, that's right. Then 2.4 multiplied by 10, then I got 24. and 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. So what is it? This is 2-digit number, this is 3-digit number. To make it 3-digit number, I have to put up the decimal and 2, 4. Now write 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places is there. 1 is of decimal. Now this is 17 kg 25 gram. I want to convert it into kg. What I will be do? I will be yes. Very nice. We will be do the conversion. Good. So gram I am going to convert into kg. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Right? Everyone knows about it now. If I am going to convert gram into kg, so what I will be do? 1 gram equals to 1 divided by 1000. That's right. 1 kg. 1 gram equals to itna kg. This is kg. So I'll be do the division. And there is how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is how many places? 2. Right. 25 divided by 1000. What I can write? 0.025. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 4. Right? So can I write 17.025 kg? Understood or any confusion? Yes, confusion? Okay, I'll be sorted out. 25 divided by 1000. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. In denominator, when this is division by 10, 100, 1000, we have to check it. There is 4 places. So what I'll be doing, I'm writing here 25. And I want to make 4 places. 1 0 I have increased and 1 decimal, including the decimal. Because when we are removing the decimal, we will be get the 000. And how many places? Triple. And it's with 1. So that, right? Now, 7th question is, cost of 10 pen is rupees 144.40. Or we can say 144 rupees 40 paisa. Then cost of 1 pen. What will be the cost of 1 pen? More is given, less you are going to find out. So you will be do the division, right? What you will be do? You will be do the division. So what it is? 144.40 divided by 10. So we can do division directly as denominator is whole number. If we are dividing 144.40 by 10. So what we can write? 10 ones are 10. 4 is there. 10 fours are 40. That's right. We have occupied 3 places. Now we will be put up the decimal. This 4 will be shifted. 10 fours are 40. That's right. So what will be the answer, beta? Speak out. Yes, 1 times 4. Yes, 14.44 will be the answer. What is the cost of 1 pen? Rupees 14.44. Do you understand? Or you want to see the long division? You can do by your own. Can you? 10. 144.40. 10 ones are 10. 4 is remaining. 44. 10 fours are 40. Right? 4 is there. Again 4. 10 fours are 40. But before that, what I will do? Decimal, because there is a decimal. 4s are 40. 4 is there. And 0. 10 fours are 40. That's why 14.44. Clear, students? Now, this is the time for homework. It's 8, 9, 10 question. You will be do by your own, as this is homework. And do all the question in the notebook. Do in notebook. Is it clear? This will be a homework. So I hope so you will be do little bit. You can use your mental. This maths is already a mental game. If you can do, then you will be get all the concepts clear. So I hope so you will be do. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.